Hi guys, today we will explain about how to pin posts on Instagram. This is a simple task. The first thing is open your Instagram application, and once it will be open, tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right. Once you will move to your profile section, scroll down and here are my all posts. Just tap on a specific one. Now my all posts are open. From here, look for that post which you want to pin in your Instagram profile. And once you find it, you will see the three dots on the top of each post. Tap on these dots and you will find the option pin to your profile just below to turn off reuse. Tap on this and now this post has been pinned in my profile. Let me show you by going back from here, and here you can see this post has been pinned, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.